about the stack. It is in the second unit of your syllabus of data structure. What is stack? So in stack, as you know, stack is the collection of similar items. Now suppose you have a box and you have entered some items. So first item, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. Now when you push, means insert the data. At the time of inserting data, this is item number 1 is at the last. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. These are the terms. Starting, you have put the item 1. Item 1. Then item, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Item 2, 3, 4. Item 5. Now you are pushing these items. When you delete or extract these items, that is called a pop. So when you put the last item 5 at the top and you want to remove this item, then first you are only able to remove the top item, that is item number 5. You are not in a position to remove directly item 1 because it is in the bottom. First you have to remove the item number 5, means last in first out, LIFO. So stack is marked as last in first out. So 5 is goes up, then 4, then 3, then 2. So stack is the collection of similar items or called homogeneous data elements that have the insertion and deletion operations take place at one end only. The insertion and deletion operations in the case of stack are especially termed as push and pop. But both push and pop terms start from single end front end. Push, from the same end you have to pop. So this is the stack where push and pop both operations done from a single side. And the elements used is termed as item number 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. These are the elements of this stack. And there is a maximum number of elements entered in a box. This is called the size of box. Means you should say that is 5 kg box. So you enter only 5 kg elements, not more than. So this is the size of the element. Now this is the what is stack. We have to represent the stack. There are generally two types of representation schemes are used. One is array representation of stack and second linked representation of the stack. Array is the best way to show the simple linked list. But in case of array is box-like structure. In case of array, there is a limitation of item. If the box size is 5 kg and then only you have to enter 5 kg elements. But when you want to enter more elements, then you have to use the second representation scheme, that is called the linked list representation, where all items put here and they are linked throughout item. This is called the linked list, like train bogies. You have to enter the data in the form of items. Item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is no limit. You may extend till your requirement. So there are two main representation scheme of the stack. One is called the array and second one is called the linked list representation scheme. So array representation scheme and linked list representation scheme. Now there are having some operations on the stack. Now, if you want to push some items in array, then in the stack, then if top is greater than or equal to size, then print stack is full. Else item equals to A, top equals to top minus 1, and stop. So you may add, or if you take +1, then you may add. If you use -1 in each case, then you may remove the items from the stack. So there are two ways to enter. First to enter and second to remove. Push and pop. So push and pop uses some algorithm and for the computer uses or for the programming. So you have to make program. Finally, to make the program first you have to make the algorithm. So there is an algorithm for push and pop.